In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can move around your taskbar on Windows 10. So as you guys may know that you can move your taskbar around so you can have it on the bottom, on the left, on the right, or even on the top of your screen. So the easiest way to do this is simply come down to your taskbar, and then you will need to right click on your taskbar, and as you can see now you have an option for taskbar settings. If you click on taskbar settings, what that will do is it will open up this window here, and then as you can see, taskbar location on screen, I have mine on the bottom at the moment, but once you click on this drop down menu here, what you'll see is you'll see an option for left, top, right and bottom. So if you wanted it on the top, for example, once you click on top, as you can see the taskbar is now located right there at the top, and you can change it to the left or the right. So that's how easy it is to move around your taskbar on Windows 10. If this video did help you out, please drop a like on the video, let me know if it helped you down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.